So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You're going to double click on it and then click on Windows and then scroll down till you find System32. Here it is. Double click on System32 and now this will come up. And then once we're here, you're going to click on the box right here and type in appwiz.cpo. This will come up, double click on it. It will then open up the control panel, see if that works for you. And now for the second method, you're going to head over to search again and type in run, click on it. Now once we're here, you're going to type in appwiz.cpo, click on enter, see if that works for you. And now for the third method, you're going to head over to search and type in default apps, click on it. And now once you're on this, right here, you're going to type in .cpo, click on it. Now you're going to make sure you have Windows control panel right here. So you're going to click on this and then select Windows control panel and then click on set default. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the last method, you're going to head over to search again and type in cmd. Then you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. And then once the scan's been completed, it may take a while, but once you complete the scan, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.